Okay, this is a really super quick Yammer tutorial rundown for community environmental health students at Boise State. So if you are taking health sciences and public health classes, you will have access to this Yammer site. So it functions basically like a social media platform where you can share updates and information. You can post questions and polls. Here you see I created the first post to give you a little bit of guidelines about how to use it. Bottom line is just be respectful. You're welcome to have as much discussion with your classrooms, with your classmates as you want. Just be respectful of everyone else who's using it. So when you log in, you're first going to see community environmental health. That's for the entire department. We're going to send you some updates like that once in a while. But let's say that you want to have your own class, have an external group. Let's say Health 105 wants to have a group so that you guys can discuss assignments and things like that. So I'm going to add a couple folks to that group, and I'm going to say only group members can view. We do not want to list the results, and then we'll create that group. And from there, you have a whole new message board to share information and discuss. I also want to point out you have private messages down here, so you can easily post a private message to someone as a DM, or you can post in a group that you're a member of from here as well. Last thing I just want to say is I really recommend you download the app. It has a lot of the same features. It's super translatable to this. So if you're more of a mobile user, check that out. And make sure to check out these buttons. Here you can go home. I recommend that you set your feed to following and have it remember your feed selection so that you have relevant results in that section. You have an inbox and notifications, and you can update your notifications by going to the gear head and hitting settings and going to notifications, just in case you might not want all those emails whenever you get a new message, especially if you're on the app anyway. So set your notifications there. You could set your push notifications on your mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout in the CEH Yammer group. Staff will be available to help students navigate resources in the new virtual classroom environment. So have fun out there.